Hello students, I hope you all are in good health. Today we have to discuss about your this adverb clause that was remaining in that clause part chapter. So we have to see that what an adverb does the work, or an adverb does what exactly in a sentence. So by definition it is very clear to you all, like adverb is a word which qualifies any verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. So that way it will, the clause will also move in the same pattern. And I hope you all will be taking this in your consideration, how the adverb clause starts. Like adverb clause, first the definition will come here. Such part of a sentence which does the work of an adverb and has its own subject and predicate is called an adverb clause. Since some examples are also shown to you, like we rested until sunset, it is an adverb phrase. Same thing is coming up with adverb clause. Same matter is built here. We rested when evening came. Here the subject word is evening, or here it is combined with this time conjunction when. So here this same thing is coming with clause, and here the same thing is coming with phrase. So you should be in a position to understand the importance of phrase as well as clause also in a sentence. Here it says like hence adverb clause will always modify the verb part of the main or principal clause. Altogether an adverb clause has 9 kinds of it that you will learn later, but I have started it today. After all this, I have started one of its kinds. I have explained it. That is adverb clause of time. It will always start with time conjunctions. That adverb clause of time will come. Like after, before, hardly, when, no sooner than, when, then, until, like that. It will be introduced by those time conjunctions. So by these time conjunctions, they modify the verb part in the main clause. That we have to understand. Some examples are also shown to here to you all. Hardly the bus came when the passengers started crying. This the passengers started crying when the bus came. So like that way you should understand that adverb clause of time will always be introduced with time conjunctions, such as no sooner than, like some examples, some more examples are there. When I came, he had gone before, like that. No sooner the thief saw the police, then he started running, like that. So you need to focus on the given subject. You need to copy it well from start to finish, and then you should wait till your next lecture comes to you. I hope you will bear all such inconvenience coming across your study. A bold student will always bear up all such inconvenience. I hope you all are my best students. So you kindly do it and have your good health with you.